Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Shokz to iPhone. First, you prepare your Shokz headphones for pairing. Ensure your Shokz headphones are powered off and then enter the pairing mode. For most models, it's press and hold the volume plus button for about 5 to 7 seconds until you hear pairing and see the LED, the indicator on the side flashing blue and red. Then you open the Bluetooth setting on your iPhone. Go to your iPhone setting, tap on Bluetooth, and then please ensure your Bluetooth is on. Then find and select your Shokz headphones under Bluetooth under other devices. Look for the name Shokz headphones or Shokz Open Run. Then tap the name of your Shokz headphones to connect, please. Then confirm the connection. Once connected, you should hear connected in your headphones, and on your iPhone the headphones will move to my device list, indicating they are paired. Here are some additional tips as well. Repairing: if your headphones are connected to another device, disconnect them from that device first and then try pairing with your iPhone again if it isn't working, or reset your headphones if needed. Follow the instructions in the Shokz manual to reset them. Usually you can do it by holding down specific buttons simultaneously, and once connected your Shokz headphones should automatically reconnect to your iPhone when devices have Bluetooth enabled and are within your range. So they have to be in your range, and that's easy how to do it and how to connect them. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped you.